Installing a theme on WordPress is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. Here is a general guide on how to install a theme on WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard. If you are not sure how to do this, type in your website URL followed by wp-admin to access the login page. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance Themes. Click the Add New button located at the top of the screen. You will be taken to the Add Themes page. Here, you can either search for a theme by name or filter themes based on specific features. Once you find a theme you like, hover over it and click the Install button. After the theme has been installed, click the Activate button to make it your active theme. You can now customize your theme by going to Appearance, Customize. Note: if you have purchased a premium theme from a third-party website, you may need to upload the theme file manually. To do this, go to Appearance Themes, Add New, Upload Theme. Then choose the .zip file you downloaded from the third-party website. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed a theme on your WordPress website.